Dr. Swan, we would like to do a short interview with you.
Yes.
So, what have you done this summer?
What have I done this summer? This is really a fascinating situation. Most of it I was here because we have many different calendars and our bilingual school finishes a lot later than the international school. However, my children came for the first time to our campus here, the Dalian campus, and we had a trip up to Dandong, and it was a wonderful, wonderful opportunity to be a family here for 2 weeks, and then I went to Singapore for 2 weeks.
Oh, that sounds really good. So, what have you done this summer vacation?
Do homework.
In my summer break, I took some tennis classes, and then I also went into this pretend band and orchestra, and I also did some mock debates.
It's so boring. I just spent all my vacation in learning 12.
What was something that you did differently this summer break compared to the previous ones?
So like this one's like this summer break, like I mainly focus on like some competitions, but like before, it's just play outside and do nothing.
So more academic, right?
I went to Canada because last summer break I just stayed in my house.
So what's your goal for this new semester or new school year?
Get better grades and get in the badminton team. Yes.
So my goals for this new semester is trying to get all 4s of my grades. I know it's very hard, but last time it was my grades had some 3s and 3.5s, and there was 4s, but I didn't like it.
This year I want to be a student and a player with a lot of potentials, and I want to lead my team to further success.
Maybe improve in math, cause so math is a bit hard and I gotta improve in it, yeah.
That's a great goal. Thank you so much.